Good morning, good afternoon. Good evening. Today, on 30th May 2024, for today, I did for phone repair workshop for today. I come interview concerning different type of phone when they repair. So before I talk to our viewers, most of my phone don't pass the car when don't spoil. When we want to wait, we can want to wear. Best day when you put an order and you talk to a new one. So now the workshop of the best day for today. So good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We got interview so many that's about what about you? I phone repairer.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different type of phone when they repair interview for? So I will start. This very phone when they work, usually say you work on this person. What the name of the phone?
Infinite smartphone.
Infinite
Smartphone.
Smartphone. Okay, what is spoiled for the phone?
Now the screen is spoiled for the phone.
Okay, screen.
Yes, sir.
So like this very one, so how much for the screen?
This one screen at 15,000.
15,000. All the screen, what your workmanship today inside?
Yes, sir.
Your workmanship inside.
Everything 15,000.
Okay, so at the same way the parents at the UK they do the phone. This thing will be like marking with the rubber, like wait that one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one at the gun where they gun the screen.
Okay, now gone because I look like marking.
Yes.
You say now gone?
Yes.
Okay. So I think this one with a type or this one.
Now rubber band. So that the thing goes strong, sink well. 1 hour time the person will remove them.
Okay, as you do the phone, you use rubber band tire.
Yes.
After 1 hour.
Yeah, the gun will dry, will
Okay.
remove them.
Okay, now because of the gun, I mean, that's why you tire.
Yes, sir.
Made for quick dry.
Yes, sir.
After 1 hour, the first people remove on
Yes.
okay, like this one. Power, how much this if finish it also?
This one power is 3,000.
Yeah, maybe if it power spoil like how much?
If you want to do the power now, 3,000 naira.
Okay, 3,000 naira. What about this charging points?
Charging port, okay. Charging port at 2,000.
Okay, 2,000.
Yes, sir.
So like Samsung, all this Samsung product, like how much be their screen?
Samsung they different type. Which one is it?
Okay, like Samsung has A70.
Okay, A70. The screen on it?
Yes, the screen.
The screen 40,000.
40,000 for that one.
Yes, sir.
Both your workmanship has be that.
Yes, sir.
What about the power of that one?
That one power now 10,000 naira. You see Samsung screen is there. Everything for Samsung they're expensive. Yes, sir.
And the charging port called the charging point.
Now charging port now 5,000.
Okay, we are talking about this iPhone. iPhone 7 Plus screen now how much of that?
Okay, 7 Plus screen now 17,000 naira.
17,000.
Yes, sir.
What about the power of that one?
That one power now 8,000 naira.
8,000.
Yes, sir.
And the charging point for that one how much?
That one charging port now 5,000.
What of the one when thunder strike boy and you feel bring out to life?
Okay, that one are power, now that one are icy. Maybe the icy spot. No, since if thunder strike now, you go burn the icy. That one there icy they 20,000 naira. They have to change the icy now 20,000.
Okay, to change the IC
Yes.
now 20,000 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what this small phone? See the other one when they call
Okay, how is
high-tech.
what is for? With the repair now.
The repair.
Yes.
Well, all this one screen now. How much for this one?
This one screen at 3,000. 3,000 naira.
Okay, and the battery come.
The battery now 1,500.
Okay, charging point for that one is how much?
At 1,000.
Part of this phone when they repair. And that's what the day we say to John.
Yes, we see a cell phone. I see a cell phone. I see any kinds of phone. Both iTech phone, Infinix phone, Techno phone, iPhone, Samsung phone, anyone with a seller.
So my people are very able to like talk. Don't talk about the phone when you do yourself. Very different type of phone when you bring come here. Even though you don't Africa, you bring down. You put out, you bring down to life. So my people, I will be asking phone number and your address me for let's want to know. So okay, your phone number and your address.
Okay, my phone number is 081 625 33181.
On that number, they will have a
No, sir.
and your address for that.
My address is number 45, opposite Obaka Way, opposite Central Park, New Benin. Very good.
Okay, opposite Central Park,
Yes.
the complex where you're opposite.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my people are getting on the time to watch this video.